Yes. Perfect. All right. Surprise. Surprise, surprise, surprise. I am popping in. So my name is Wendy Lee, for those of you that don't know me, from CreativeLeeYours.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. I'm excited that you're joining me today. I am popping in to talk to you a little bit about purchasing the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit during our Sale-a-Bration promotion happening now for one more week. So if you love to create and stamp, if you love Stampin' Up! Products, and if you would enjoy a continual discount on your Stampin' Up! Purchases, you are in the right place. So first, I just want to say I'm grateful for my amazing crafting hobby and business, and know that stamping can bring so much joy to so many in so many ways. So today I wanted to share a little bit of information and hopefully clear up some misconceptions about purchasing the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit. In my opinion, that is the ultimate product bundle. So I want to share with you a couple of things today. So I'm going to talk to you about what the special offer is that's going on now for the next week. We're in the last week of February 2023, and then show you an example of a kit that I've put together, and some of the benefits or perks of being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and specifically joining my Diemonds demonstrator team. So if you have questions, type them in the comments, and I'll go back and review all the comments after and make sure I didn't miss anything. All right. So let me refresh and see if I can see if anybody is here with me asking questions. I got a second monitor going so I can check that. All right, perfect. All right. So let's jump in. So first of all, hands down, the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit truly is the best bundle we offer any time of the year. Really, any time of the year. So 24/7, it is the great value. But I wanted to let you know that this kit is especially awesome right now. So when I joined almost 20 years ago, the kit was almost $400, and we did not get to choose. I mean, there were a few things that we could flip out, but for the most part, the kit was pre-selected for you. So you got pre-selected images for or products, right, for you to start off with. Now you get to choose those products. So you get to choose whatever you want in your starter kit. So right now, for the next week anyway, you can take advantage of our Sale-a-Bration perks as part of our Sale-a-Bration promotion and choose $175 in products. There's two different options. There's a $99 starter kit, which gets you the $175 in products. Or you can upgrade and do the $129 kit, and you get to add the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. This is a $63 value. That is amazing. So you can choose this in either white, or there's a new color, boho blue, that you can choose as well. So you have two different options. So when you look at the kit price, so the $99 kit, if I were to go out and purchase the products in that $99 kit, it would be $207.85. That's with my shipping and tax. I'm in North Carolina. Now, if I chose the $129 kit and added this super cute little machine as well, that would cost me $271.18, again, with my shipping in my area. But Stampin' Up! Is giving us a discount during Sale-a-Bration so that you can purchase it for either $99 for the products or $129 the products and the mini machine plus tax. Shipping is free. We love free shipping, right? And I forgot to grab it. You also get a surprise paper pumpkin kit. It's a surprise because it's a past kit and we don't know which one, but you get to experience paper pumpkin as part of your kit as well. So let me kind of show you an example of a starter kit. So I just pulled out some of my favorite products and filled in my starter kit items here. So the first thing I've got is, this is a pack of 3 embossing folders. It's called Basics Embossing Folders. This will be available to customers to purchase starting March 1st. It's part of our new online exclusives program Love, love, love these. These are 3D embossing folders. But of course, one of the perks of being a demonstrator is you get to order things early. So this is one of the items I would choose. Next, I have pulled in the Sweet Citrus Bundle. Love, love, love this one as well. Love all the citrus images. They're bright, they're cheery, they're fresh. And then there is a hybrid embossing folder and set of dies. What that means is you can use the dies separately, the embossing folder separately, or you can marry them together and die cut and emboss at the same time. So cool. Love things like that. Then I pulled out my next favorite bundle, which is the Share a Milkshake. So this is a stamp and die bundle. Lots of yummy desserts can be made with that one, right? Who doesn't love some sweet treats? And then two of my favorite new papers in the mini catalog is this is the fine shimmer paper, and there are 3 different colors in here. And then there is the textured shimmer paper, also 3 different colors in here. Just love these both. They're fantastic. You can do a lot with them. Then I decided to stock up on a little cardstock. And so I got a couple of packs of cardstock, fresh freesia and sweet sorbet. It's a great time to stock up on your cardstocks that you need, ink pads, ink refills. And then I pulled in some embellishments. So I've got the opaque adhesive back gems. And then of course, some dimensionals, because we know that I love dimension on all my projects. So I need some dimensionals always, right? So that's a lot of stuff for that $99 price point, or $129. And I add my mini machine. Yay. All right, perfect. Let's see, what else did I have for you? So let's talk about being a demonstrator itself. So Stampin' Up! Calls us a demonstrator. So a lot of direct sales companies have a name for the people that sign up, right? So you could be a consultant, or, you know, there's all kinds of different names that you can call it. They call us demonstrators, but this doesn't mean you have to hold events, parties. You don't have to create a blog. You don't have to do videos like I'm doing. That is entirely your choice. There are no requirements for that. You can simply choose to enjoy shopping for your products with a 20% discount. And then if you ever decide you do want to do a little more with it, maybe go down more of a business path, I'm here to support you. So I'm here to help. We're in it together if you want to be, right? I just want you to know there's no pressure. You can participate in as much or as little if you'd like to. Yes. So I just saw a question where somebody was asking about the boho mini machine. So it is not available for purchase separately. It is part of the starter kit promotion. Now, as demonstrators, we did get an opportunity to purchase that machine before Sale-a-Bration started. One of the great perks, right? So there could be a potential that demonstrators will get to purchase it again after the fact. I don't know. It'll depend on how supplies are. But right now, you can add it free to your starter kit when you join. Yay! Yay, yay, yay. We love it. Okay. So perks for, as we've mentioned, pre-order or early release products. So I've already gotten my hands on early release. Where did there they are. The new basics embossing folders. So I got my hands on some early release products already. We have a new catalog coming out in May. So the January to April mini catalog, as well as the annual catalog, both end the beginning of May. So a new catalog will be coming out. Well, in April, that means we're going to get to order new stuff coming from the new catalogs, which is one of my favorite things. So if you love getting your hands on things early, this is a great perk, right? So that's always wonderful. For my team specifically, I offer a lot of extra perks as well. So they have access to everything I do. So my card clubs, they have access to all those tutorials. Any of my online classes I do, bingos, specialty classes, they have access to all of those tutorials as part of being on the team. So that's just my gift to be able to give that to them. They can use it for personal use. They can use it in their business if they're choosing to do a business, whatever makes their heart happy and fulfills their joy, right? So I want them to be able to create and have lots of fun with the stuff that I'm doing, right? I want to share that with them. We do have a monthly team meeting where we gather. There are opportunities to participate in swaps where we trade project ideas. We have theme swaps every month. We do a creative challenge. We've got some business challenges for those that are interested. So there's lots of things that you can participate in. But you don't have to participate in any of them, right? So you participate in what you want to do. And as much as you want to do, you can choose to do all of it, or you don't have to do any of it, right? So anything in between, you're welcome to be a part of it. I love the whole community of it, the like-minded people, just the joy of sharing with each other. It's wonderful. There's nothing like it, right? Let's see what else. Yeah, I think that's the gist of that. But if you've got questions on anything, let me know. Now, one question I do get asked often is requirements, or the requirements to be able to stay active, and what happens if you don't meet those requirements. So first of all, know that nothing bad happens, right? Nobody comes after you. You don't have to give anything back. You enjoy your discount while you're active for as long as you want to, right? As long as you're meeting the quarterly requirements, which are $300 in sales for a quarter. That can be in $1 at a time. It could be in $300 at a time, anytime throughout the quarter. So our quarters, we have 4 quarters in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 4 different quarters. If you join now, which is February of 2023, you would not have to meet your first sales until the first full quarter. So that means the end of June. What happens if you don't meet your sales by the end of June? We let you know. You'll get an email from me because I like to make sure you're in the loop. You might hear from Stampin' Up as well, just to let you know that you've got a certain dollar amount left to meet to stay active. You have 1 month to fulfill that requirement. And if you don't, it's not the end of the world. You do drop, you don't get to enjoy your discount anymore, but nobody comes and takes back anything, right? You don't have to give any of it back. Nobody comes and yells at you. So it's all a friendly experience. So you can enjoy the participation and the discount as long as you want to by making those purchases or selling to others. You know, maybe you've got a friend or a family member that would like to get some products from you, and you could sell them to them. So there's all kinds of options and choices that you have. So if you've got any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help you. I will leave a link on to be able to sign up and join the team if you'd like to become a diamond. We'd love to have you, whether it's in the next week and taking advantage of this amazing deal, or anytime throughout the year. We'd love to have you join us. So thank you so much for joining me today and giving me a little bit of your time. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.